Hello, welcome to my kitchen. These potato marbles just melt in the mouth. Perfect to make on short notice, this snack is enjoyed by everyone and you will be able to cook them in no time at all. Have you subscribed to my channel already? We'll need potatoes, 1 large or 2 medium per person. Just peel the potatoes and slice them. Put them in water. Slice the rest of them. Wash them 2 to 3 times till the water runs clear. After 3 washes, it's time to cook them. To steam the potatoes, I have a pan of boiling water. I lower the heat and put a steamer plate. Place the potatoes. Put the flame on medium and just cover it and let it cook. We'll also need coriander leaves. Just wash them thoroughly and pat them dry with a napkin. Chop them up. Need not be too fine. We just want the flavoring. Let us check on the potatoes. They've been cooking for 5 minutes now. I leave them for a few more minutes and they should be done. Cornstarch or corn flour, Kasuri methi, or you could also use the fresh methi leaves, Garam masala powder and some chili flakes, oil for deep frying. They are perfectly done. Time to get them out. Transfer the potatoes into a bowl and just mash them up while they are still hot. So keep going until you have a smooth paste. That looks good. I'll divide it into half. I want to do 2 flavor combinations. Season with salt. Add in corn flour powder. So for the first one, I'll use coriander leaves and garam masala powder as a flavoring. Mix it well. And keep it aside. For the second one, I'll use some Kasuri methi or dried fenugreek leaves and some chili flakes as flavoring. Mix well. I'm using a half tablespoon measure to measure out my marbles. I want them to be exactly the same size. That looks good. Just keep it aside. You could use a little oil on your palms if the dough is a bit sticky. Make the rest of them. After making half of them, the dough has started sticking to my palm. So I'll just slightly oil my palm and get going. Once they are ready, put them in the fridge for at least 20 minutes. Let's get on with the next batch. Try the recipe. If you like it, leave your feedback in the comment section and share it with your friends. The next batch is ready as well. Put it in the fridge. Heat some oil for deep frying. I'll just lightly dust my palms with cornstarch and then roll the balls a final time so as to coat them lightly. Just before frying, I got the balls out of the fridge and now they are ready to be fried. Fry the balls. Be gentle with them. They look nice and golden. Almost done. Get them out and drain them on absorbent paper. Fry the rest. Serve the potato balls with a sauce or chutney on the side and see how they just vanish. My tip, always make a large batch.